Hello viewers. Now we will discuss about the types of number sets. So we have different types of number sets. We will discuss those number sets. First type is natural numbers. This set is also known as counting numbers. What natural number means? See, generally to count the objects or things or persons or anything. From which number we will start? Yes, we will start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. So those numbers are called as natural numbers. So the numbers starts from 1, 2, 3, 4 are called as natural numbers. Numbers which we use for counting the objects are known as natural numbers. And these natural numbers are denoted by capital N. N equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. Now, what is the smallest number among these is 1. 1 is the smallest number. So, what is the smallest natural number? The smallest natural number is 1. The next number set is whole numbers. The next number set is whole numbers. Whole numbers. When we include 0 in the natural numbers, it is known as whole number set. That means the combination of natural numbers including 0 and all natural numbers together are called whole numbers. This whole number set is denoted by capital W. W equal to set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. See, natural number starts from 1 onwards. W starts from 0. W starts from 0. So among these whole numbers, what is the smallest number? 0 is the smallest whole number. Smallest whole number is 0. The next number set is integers. The set of numbers which consists of whole numbers and negative numbers is called as integers. That means the set integers are the set that contains the whole numbers, also negative numbers is called the integers. Now integer set is denoted by capital I or capital Z, either I or Z. So Z equal to the set of so on -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. The next number set is rational numbers. Rational numbers means the numbers which are in the form of P by Q, where P comma Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. That means denominator is not equal to 0 are called rational numbers. Again, the numbers which can be written in the form P by Q, where P comma Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0 are called rational numbers. The rational number set is denoted by capital Q. For example, 2 by 3, -1 by 3, 1 by 2, 3 by 100, -3, 2, 0 and so on. Observe here, these are in P by Q form. This is okay, these are okay, but here see, we do not have anything in the denominator. See, these are not in P by Q form, right? Even I am saying these are rational numbers. Why means, if there is no any number is not there in denominator means there is by default it will have by 1. 2 means nothing but 2 by 1. Like 0 means 0 by 1, like that. So now observe -3. -3 we can write as -3 by 1. Now observe, this is in the form of P by Q. So -3, 2, like this. We have number of examples. The next number set is irrational numbers. Irrational numbers, simple. The numbers which cannot be written in the form of P by Q, where P comma Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0 are called irrational numbers. Simply, the numbers which are not rational are irrational numbers. If a number is not rational number means that is irrational number simply. Now, irrational number set is denoted by capital Q dash, Q dash. Example, √2, √3, √5, 0.12301 and so on, and pi. All these are the examples of irrational numbers. Now observe some note points. So, okay, before discussing these note points, I want to explain some details about decimals. See, decimals. Decimal types. We have two types of decimals. The decimals are terminating decimals. Another is non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimals. Again, these non-terminating decimals are classified into two types. One is the recurring decimals. Another one is a non-recurring decimals. Non-recurring decimals. Observe carefully. Observe carefully. The decimals are classified into terminating decimals, non-terminating decimals. Again, these non-terminating decimals are classified into recurring decimals and non-recurring decimals. Are you clear? Now, we can write these terminating decimals as well as under non-terminating decimals, recurring decimal, we can write these two types of decimals into P by Q form. But we cannot write non-terminating non-recurring decimals as P by Q form. We cannot write these decimals as P by Q form. So we will call terminating decimals, also non-terminating recurring decimals as rational numbers, and non-terminating non-recurring decimals as irrational numbers. Okay, just these are about the note points. Now observe the note points. All terminating decimals are called rational numbers. Terminating decimals means after decimal point the digits should be stopped. Here see 0 0.3, 1.2, 3.89, minus 3.1. All these are terminating decimals. So these are the rational numbers. Next, non-terminating recurring decimals are called rational numbers. That means after decimal points it will not stop, but the digits are repeat. The digits will repeat. Now see example 0.33333. Now see which are these, whether this decimal is terminating? No, it is not terminating, but in this decimal some digits are repeating. That means 3 is repeating continuously. So we can write this as 0.3 bar. Now second example, observe 2.162626262 and so on. This is also a non-terminating recurring decimal. Recurring means repeating. So here what digits are repeating here? 626262. So 62 is repeating continuously. So we can write this decimal as 2.162 bar. We have to put the bar on repeating digits only. Okay, so all non-terminating recurring decimals are called rational numbers. Now third point, all non-terminating non-recurring decimals are called irrational numbers. All non-terminating non-recurring numbers are called irrational numbers. Example 3.12345 and so on. Another example 1.10 100 10001 and so on. These are the non-terminating non-recurring decimals. So these are irrational numbers. See the next note point. We know that all terminating decimals and non-terminating decimals can be expressed in the form P by Q. You learned in earlier classes. Okay, so these are called rational numbers. Example 0.3. We can write this as 3 by 10. So this is in the form of P by Q. Again 1.32, we can write this as 132 by 10. We have to simplify, but no need. So this is in the form of P by Q. So it is a rational numbers. So 0.3 bar, we can write this as 0.333 and so on. So it can be, we can write this in 1 by 3. So the terminating, non-terminating recurring decimals are called rational numbers because these can be expressed in the form of P by Q. See the next note point. We know that all non-terminating, non-recurring decimals cannot be expressed in the form P by Q. So these are called irrational numbers. So non-terminating, non-recurring decimals, we cannot express these decimals as P by Q. So these are called as irrational numbers. For example, root 3, the value of root 3 is 1.732 and so on. Root 2, 1.414 and so on. Pi value is also 3.142857 and so on. But in some cases, some problems we will write pi as 22 by 7. So this is, you can ask me, sir, this is in P by Q form, sir, so can we say this is a rational number? No, pi is a irrational number. 22 by 7 is an approximate value we are taking. This is not exact value of pi, just we are taking approximately 22 by 7. So pi is an irrational number. Now see the next number system. Real numbers. Real number means the combination of rational numbers and irrational numbers is known as set of real numbers. Real numbers is nothing but together rational and irrational. Together rational and irrational numbers is called real numbers. The real number set is denoted by capital R. Mathematically we can write R equal to Q union Q dash. That means together rational and irrational numbers. Now observe this diagram. Natural numbers. Okay. The natural numbers will consist in whole numbers. Whole numbers will resides in integers. Integers resides in rational numbers. But rational numbers and irrational numbers are both are different. So rational number, these are the rational number set and this is the irrational number set. Together rational numbers and irrational numbers are called real numbers. This is a Venn diagram of the number system. Thanks for watching this video.